Hey, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a situation. So all of my great seedlings that I have nurtured and potted up and sowed and now have these great leaves to them. Most of them are on their second or third set of leaves. I'm starting to have some dieback. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do today, I think, is get the ones that I have in the ground, and then we're gonna just watch and see. I can't complain too much. It was maybe a couple dollars for each pack of seeds, and I got a bunch of seedlings out of it. So we're gonna go ahead and spread them around in the front garden, and keeping my fingers crossed, my Cosmos and English daisies will take off today. So I did wind up planting some of my sunflowers. I hope they didn't get pelted too badly by the rain that we recently had. But this is a couple of days after I planted them off camera. We're gonna keep our fingers crossed. So I guess the proof isn't in the pudding, it's in the pots. That was a lot of pots for me to do in one gardening session, but I'm so glad it's done now. So I went to go water my rack of seedlings that I've been hardening outside, and I noticed that several of the trays had big holes in them, like holes in the dirt, like a bird has shoved its beak in there looking for good yummy stuff to eat. So I wonder if that's contributing. I know I had a gnat issue also going on, and maybe I fertilized my starter fertilizer a little too strong on the dosage. All those things may have contributed, but I'm hoping now that they're going to be out in the field in my garden that hopefully nature will help to rectify some of those problems, but maybe not the birds, I don't know. All right, y'all, until the next one, I hope you're able to go out and make something beautiful in your world, and bye, y'all.